Next, arrange the following steps of construction while constructing a pair of tangents to a circle which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees to the circle of radius 3 centimeters. So what have we to do? See, there is a circle of 3 centimeter. We have to take some point outside and draw tangents so that the angle between the two tangents is 60 degrees. That's what our target is. So first will we draw the circle, then what? Take some point outside, right? So let's start. Draw a circle with center O and radius 3. 3 is correct option. Okay, 3 is there, 3 is there. So only A and B, right? C and D gone because they don't have 3 as the first step. So now what next? Either 1 or 2. Let's see. What is 1? Draw any diameter AOB of this circle. And 2 is what? Draw AM perpendicular to AB. Now do you have any point M over here? What was the first step? O and radius. Did we write any M over here? No. So step 2 can't be the second step. Step 1 will be the second step and step 2 will be the third step, because first we have to find AB and then AM will be there. So 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, not even 2. See this. 3, 1 and then fourth. Construct BOC 60 degrees such that radius OC meets circle at C. So fourth and then 2. So A is the correct option. See here, the trick is in first 2 only. Remaining it's okay. In exam you don't waste your time in remaining things, okay, once you get the trick. So the correct option is A. Don't go for anything further, and if you want you can try it. You'll definitely get this circle and tangents. Okay, download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. So keep studying.